Imagine having control of your dreams while you are asleep. You know you're dreaming, and this can be delightful because it presents an opportunity for you to tap into a world different from the one you are used to. Some people naturally get lucid dreams, but even if you don't, yet find it appealing, you can learn to have lucid dreams. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about issues relating to the journey to overall wellness. Our content is based on scientific research and our experience as physicians, practicing both Western and Eastern medicine. If this is something that appeals to you, be sure to stick around till the very end to see if you want to subscribe. Without further ado, let's head straight into the main topic of today's video: 13 simple techniques that can help you induce lucid dreams. Tip 1. Make your room comfortable. Preparing yourself for a restful night is important for having lucid dreams because a comfortable atmosphere gives room for peaceful dreaming. Lucid dreams or not, there is nothing more satisfying than coming home to a comfortable haven to help you de-stress and prepare for the next day. Set the room's temperature, adjust the lighting according to your preference, and ensure the mattress is comfortable enough to sleep on. If you need earplugs or a sound machine to cancel out unwelcoming sounds, get those accessories. We have our favorites recommended below. Optimizing your room for sleeping is good sleep hygiene and gives room for REM sleep, which increases the chances of lucid dreams occurring. Tip 2. Carry out reality checks. By performing reality checks, you train your brain to easily tell between sleep state and reality. Lucid dreams involve awareness, and your brain can only know when it's dreaming if it has been challenged enough to be able to tell the difference. There are lots of activities you can practice to help your brain identify both states. One common technique is observing the appearance of your hands and feet. These will look normal in real life, but often appear distorted in a dream. Pages from a book in a dream also change arbitrarily when you look away, unlike in reality, where an unflipped page stays the same. With enough practice, you will begin to notice the different patterns and be able to tell your dream state from reality. Tip 3. Keep a dream journal. Each time you wake from a dream, practice writing out every detail you remember of it. Do this immediately after you wake up so you can remember as much as possible. Writing down your dreams helps us understand them better, and that can easily open the path to lucid dreaming. Place the journal close to your bed at night so it's within reach in case you wake up in the middle of a dream. Being able to remember your dream when you wake up is the entire point of learning to lucid dream, and keeping a dream journal will help you remember each experience. Another option is to keep a recording device close by to capture words and actions you may have taken in your dream. It is okay if you struggle to remember your dreams immediately after you wake up. Take some time to concentrate until the memory starts to reawaken. Tip 4. Recognize your patterns. Your dream journal will help you identify patterns in your dream that you can harness to lucid dream. Pick up your journal frequently and review it to see if there are any recognizable themes, people, or even words. This gives you an idea about what happens subconsciously. Identifying patterns helps your brain recall these signs in the dream state while you are conscious. We often experience recurring situations or events in our dreams, but hardly recognize them, mostly due to forgetfulness. Common dream patterns may include being chased by something or seeing an old acquaintance. The more familiar you are with these signs, the easier you will be able to notice that you are dreaming. Tip 5. Drift back to sleep. Try going back to sleep when you are awakened by a dream. Do this after writing down the bit of the dream you remember. Close your journal afterward and shut your eyes to focus on what you have just written down. Holding on to this thought can initiate a lucid dream. Remember that lucid dreams often occur when you are deeply asleep and notice something off about your environment. Drifting back to sleep soon after waking from a dream can trigger a lucid dream, because now it is easier to differentiate the dream state from the reality you were just exposed to. Tip 6. Use a light alarm. Consider getting a light alarm and setting it to go off several hours after you have fallen asleep. Sensations like touch or sound can help you know that you are dreaming during rapid eye movement sleep, and light works in the same way. Be sure to position the light in a place where the beams will not wake you up. The goal is not to wake yourself up, but rather to create an artificial stimulus that can stimulate REM. You may want to cover the light with a sheet to keep it dim and prevent it from disrupting your sleep. Tip 7. Aim for more REM sleep. Lucid dreams occur mostly in the REM stage of sleep. This is usually in phases, from the first 90 minutes when you fall asleep and within the same duration afterward. It might be impossible to know the exact time each phase occurs, but what you can do is trigger REM to happen at a regular time. One easy way to achieve this is to maintain a sleep routine and get enough sleep so that you wake up feeling rested. Avoiding alcoholic and caffeinated drinks many hours before you sleep can also encourage REM. If you struggle with getting enough sleep, we have a video on that topic, which we will link in the I above and in the description box. These are only a few of the many techniques you can try to get better REM sleep, so you might have to test more than one to see which works for you. Tip 8. Meditate. If you haven't already included meditation in your self-care routine, this is the right time to do so. Meditating before going to bed can help you maintain your consciousness when dreaming. The practice itself allows you to develop self-awareness and the ability to look inward, which is essential for staying in control of your feelings. Having control over your dreams will come easier for you if you have already mastered controlling your thoughts and feelings. Meditation also enhances rapid eye movement, which is the stage during which lucid dreaming is likely to occur. The increased awareness that mindful meditation provides can trigger lucidity. Tip 9. Try gaming. There is some evidence that interactive gaming can assist lucid dreaming. These kind of games allow you to immerse yourself in a virtual world, similar to the world of dreams. The gaming device itself puts your brain in a state that can be likened to the state it gets in during REM sleep. Virtual environments have a surreal feel to them that offer players a chance to experience the unusual or even the impossible. Dreams operate similarly, considering how unreal and distorted they can be. Since engaging more in a dreamlike environment can trigger lucid dreaming, playing certain types of games may increase the frequency of these dreams. Tip 10. Try supplementing. A dose of vitamin B6 might be all you need to remember the details of your last dream. These supplements have been shown to increase dream recall, in addition to raising overall emotional intensity, both of which can trigger lucid dreaming. Good dream recall comes before lucid dreaming. Common food sources of this vitamin include poultry, fish, starchy vegetables, and fruits. You might need to take a substantial dose to get the effect, so it is best to stick to the recommended intake. Check with your doctor before taking supplements to lucid dream, as these drugs sometimes have counterproductive effects on sleep. Tip 11. Use the power of suggestion. This involves repeating a series of affirmative statements to yourself to reinforce ideas in your brain. This is sometimes called mnemonic introduction because by asserting these facts, your brain is more likely to maintain consciousness of your dream. To do this, relax your mind and repeat statements like, "Tonight, I will be more conscious of my dream." Combine this with a reality check before you fall asleep, and you will improve your chances of a lucid dream. Ensure you truly believe in your ability to direct your brain before trying the mnemonic induction technique. Tip 12. The wake back to bed routine. Before trying this method, know when your lucid dreams mostly occur, and then try inducing more REM sleep. The other part of the technique involves setting an alarm for 5 or 6 hours after you fall asleep. This is most likely your most prolonged REM sleep stage. Wake up when your alarm goes off and write down your dream if you are having one. If not, simply engage yourself in a relaxing activity, like reading a book or walking around. You are doing this to get your conscious mind active while your sleep hormones are still awake. Stay up for at least 30 minutes before going back to bed to continue your sleep. Chances are, you will continue the previous dream and be able to recall details of it when you wake. Tip 13. Take naps. Naps are shorter versions of our sleep, so they can foster lucidity. The degree of rest here is not as deep as what you might get at night, So while trying to fall asleep, try to keep your mind present as you approach REM sleep. The dream world will feel differently from the real world, and you could carry out a reality check for better self awareness. Try not to get too excited about being lucid in a dream that you ruin the process and wake up. Your recall might still be intact, but you will only have a little experience to hold on to or to include in your dream journal. Several people struggle with having their lucid dream fade right at its peak. You probably experienced it during your first time lucid dreaming. The excitement of having a lucid dream is enough to cut the experience short. So, as much as you find recognizing you are dreaming pleasant, try to stay put. Some signs to know when your lucid dream is coming to an end include feeling sensations from the real world or your dream being unstable. To prolong your dream, maintain the activity you were engaged in the dream to assert that you are still there. You can also try rubbing your hands together in the dream to take your mind off the sensations that you are starting to feel in reality. It is your turn to experience what lucid dreams feel like if you have always wondered. Practice the tips discussed, and soon you can become the master of your dreams. Have you experienced lucid dreams? Sound off in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you found this information useful, check out this other video from our channel too. Until next time, we wish you a happy and healthy day.